Frustrated by the Gameconfighelper.dll error causing your software to freeze? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Don't let Gameconfighelper slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This DLL file is a utility library used by specialized game launchers or configuration tools. It facilitates the adjustment of game settings, such as resolution and key bindings, before the primary game process starts. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. The Gameconfighelper.dll is bundled directly with Windows OS Core and is not a Windows system file. Reinstalling the official Windows OS Core application package is the safest way to restore this dependency. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Gameconfighelper component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Safety first, never attempt to replace the Gameconfighelper.dll with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing the Gameconfighelper-related system data. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix the Gameconfighelper. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.